So we've all seen it, right? Twitter calls, influencers, all sharing their 5, 6, and even 7-figure gains at times on Twitter. And you're wondering how the hell they've managed to do it when they shared a contract address with you at 500k and it only went to 5 million. Well, it's probably because they bought it off of Pump Fun at 5k market cap. They told all their friends about it and then they shared it with their Twitter followers. So what if I was to tell you that there's a way that you can track their wallet and see exactly the market cap they bought it at, and then you could buy the token with them? So in this video, I'm going to be going through with you a bot that I use daily, and that is the Raybot. Now this is a Telegram bot that tracks wallets. It tracks buys, sells across Solana, EVM and Tron. It's really customizable and I highly recommend it to anyone that wants to just see what their influencers are doing, see where they're spending their money and what they're buying, because they're not buying it when they tell you they're buying it. I can assure you that now. They also have a premium subscription. So if you want to pay for this bot, then you can do. It's something you can sign up for. Now this entitles you to a lot of extra features, guys. You can add this bot into groups. So what I find really useful, let's just say you're in a public group and you're a public group owner and you want to share buys and sells of your wallets, or maybe wallets that you track, into your group so you can share them with your followers, then this is absolutely something you can do. You just add the bot to the group and then add the wallets as normal. This is all paid, but it's all very, very, very useful, guys. I'm going to leave all the links below to their Telegram, to their website, to their Twitter account, but we're just going to get straight into this, guys. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how it works, how to set it up, how to add a wallet, and how to change the buttons and the notification that it sends you. And I'll explain a little bit more about that in a minute. So what we're going to do, click on the link below and it's going to take you straight to the Raybot, and we're going to press start. And it's already telling me that there's a faster bot, which is fantastic. So let's just switch the faster bot they're going to recommend. So we're now on Ray Aqua. So we're going to click start. So this is the menu you're going to be coming across, guys. So as you can see, there's an awful lot going on at the minute, but don't you worry, it's fine. We're going to go through some of this together. First of all, what we're going to do, we're going to add a wallet. Let me take this. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to paste the wallet address in the bot, and all we're going to do is we're going to just give it a name. Now I know the name of this wallet, and the name of the wallet, the owner, is a guy called Gake. So we're going to do that. So as you can see now, wallet has been added successfully. So now every time this wallet makes a move, it either buys, sells, makes a transaction to another wallet, it's going to give me a notification. What we're going to do now is, if you click on change settings, now this opens up a whole world of craziness that a lot of you may not want to touch. I don't typically mess around with this stuff, but it's here if you need to. So as you can see here, you can track NFTs, you can track swaps. If they're swapping one meme into another meme, then it will track that. Maybe you just want to track them if they're swapping Solana into something else or selling Solana. As you can see here, first buy only, this will track the first buy and it will not track any other buys. So if your wallet you're tracking DCAs, it won't continuously spam you with notifications. Again, with the sell only, first sell only, that's going to do exactly the same thing. If your wallet is scaling out of a token, taking profits, it's going to send you the first sell, and then it's just going to say, no, you know that they're starting to sell now, we're not going to send you any more. So you can tick those if you want. Again, minimum traded SOL, you can even put in there if you only want to see the wallet that you're buying or you're following, you know that his conviction plays are the ones you want to look at, and his conviction plays are the ones where he spends more than 5 Solana, for example, 10 Solana. Then you can add that in here and it will only send you those notifications. It is incredibly in depth, guys. It's such a good bot. I can't cover this all in one go, but as we've done, we've set the wallet up. So now every time that wallet buys or sells, we're going to get a notification. Now I leave all this ticked because why not? Create a token account. It's going to give you everything. So what we're going to look at now though is we're going to just quickly look at, if you press the start button and hit buttons. Now, as you can see here, there's an awful lot going on again. However, this is really self-explanatory, guys. These are the notifications it's going to send you, guys, because as you can see here, we've got a buy here. So this wallet bought Shrek today on Radium, and this is the wallet's name. It swapped 14 SOL, 78k market cap, and it started to sell this at 76k market cap. So obviously this wasn't a particularly good trade of theirs. However, if you look at the bottom here, there's a bunch of buttons: BullX, GM, GN, MEVX, Trojan, and Bonk. Now, obviously these are all different trading bots that you can use. However, some people won't use BullX, some people won't use GM, GN. So let's just go back. So let's just say I don't trade BullX. So I don't want BullX Neo there. And I don't want GM, GN. Both very good, by the way. I'm just using this as an example. So we use Trojan, right? So I know that I use Trojan. So I want to keep the Trojan button there. I don't use BonkBot. I'll get rid of that. I'll put Maestro in instead. So you can switch these out, in and out, as much as you want. If you prefer a certain bot on one day and you want to use that on that day, then you can do it. If not, just swap it in and out. Obviously, there's loads here. Soul trading bots there, Soul snipers there, Nova bot. I know that that's quite popular at the minute. So these are all really, really customizable, guys. There's also, you can also change the link. So we'll go start again and we'll go to links. Now, this is exactly the same, guys. See these little blue ones here? These are all links. So if we open this up, this will take us to Deck Screener. Open this up, it's going to take us to Photon, BullX, GMGN, and you can change all of these links. So let's just say, for example, I don't like using Deck Screener, and I want to use Dex Tools instead, for example. So we'll just take out Dex Screener, we'll put Dex Tools in instead. Simple as that, guys. So now when the notification pops off, I don't have to try and copy the address into Dex Tools. I'll just click on the Dex Tools button. It's as simple as that, guys. As you can see here, it sent us a buy notification and a sell notification. It also sends us transfers. So if this wallet here that I've got labeled as Hard Snipe, they've transferred 300,000 USDC to this wallet. And it gives links to all of these wallets, guys. So this is really easy to track. So now if you want to track this wallet, because he just sent $300,000 to it, you can click on it, copy the address of the wallet and add it to your bot. It's that easy. So then when he starts to make moves again, maybe he starts to buy and sell and trade tokens on that wallet, you get updated. It's as simple as that, guys. It's so easy. This is Ray Azure and what I'm using now. Now they will come up and show different names depending on how busy they are. Like this one's called Ray Aqua. So that is it, guys. So if you did like this video and found any value in it, then I would really appreciate a like and a subscribe. If I get enough likes, I will release a video on how to track all these wallets and how you can find them rather than just tracking them. Now, I've obviously featured a couple of the wallets that I track in this video, and I will leave them in the description of this video. Some of them have been featured in previous videos of mine, like the copy trading one. This Madness wallet I've got here, the Gake wallet, that is the Gake wallet we set up earlier. He made $1 million on a couple of tokens a few months ago, and he is an exceptionally good trader, guys. So he is one to watch for sure. But thank you all very much for watching. I appreciate all the love and support you've been giving me recently. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.